Okay, so it was our second blizzard in a week. Look at all that snow. It's so white out there you can't even see it. This is Mom's car. Was completely cleaned off yesterday. That's probably about 6 or 7 inches of snow. Dad was just out, just got home about an hour ago. His car's starting to get covered. Just shoveled the walk. Looks like we'll be snowed in again. I just cleaned my car off yesterday, well, half of it. It's pretty covered too. The neighbor's driveway was completely clean this time yesterday. Can you see the snow? Just blowing everywhere. There we go. These are icicles that have been there for over almost a week, I guess. Oof. Oh my gosh.